Delta 274, contact Tokyo radar 119.02.
2802 Delta 274. And Tokyo Delta 274, say the freak again.
119.02.
1902.
That's correct.
Bye-bye. At Tokyo, hello, Delta 2274, 19.5 or 220.
President Delta 4 Tokyo radar, require direct startable, climb on maintain, flight level 250.
All right, also, and we'd like to request 220, we're working on a maintenance issue, please.
Delta 274, right to maintain 20.
220 and direct Galbo, Delta 274.
Delta 274 radar.
Go ahead.
Delta 274, do you have something wrong with you?
Yes, we're talking to maintenance control right now. We have an indication that's abnormal, and we're leveling at 220 for now, Delta 274.
Delta 274, copy. Let me know when you can fly.
Full code, thank you. Tokyo Delta 274.
Go ahead.
I believe we're going to have to come back to Tokyo. We're still talking to maintenance. I'd like to request a heading south so we don't get too far away.
Delta 274, 150 is okay?
And actually, okay, heading 150, thanks, Delta 2.
Delta 274, Roger, fly heading 150, maintain flight level 220, and just confirm you need hold for some time for troubleshooting.
Affirm. Delta 2 heading 150, and say again the altitude?
Maintain flight level 220.
Okay, sir, heading 150, maintain 220. Yeah, we're still troubleshooting. We'll get back to you in a couple.
Delta 274, copy. How many minutes, how long do you need for troubleshooting?
Sir, 3 to 5 minutes, sir.
Sorry, say again, please.
3 to 5 minutes. Call it 5 minutes.
5 minutes, copy, and confirm what is the nature due to flight control problem?
Engine indication.
Engine indication, copy, thank you. Delta 274, turn right heading 180.
Right heading 180, Delta 274.
And Delta 274, I'd like to return back to request runway 16 left ILS.
Delta 274, let's fly heading 200, confirm your request 16 left ILS.
Affirmative. Heading 200 Delta 274.
Delta 274, how about RNP approach for 1?
Say again.
Delta, how about approach type RNP runway 16 left?
Request ILS Delta 274.
Delta 274, copy direct runway 16 left approach.
ILS 16 left approach Delta 2.
Delta 274, just confirm you declare you need priority.
Would request priority at this time, Delta 274, just an indicator.
Delta 274, copy. Delta 274, turn right 20.
Right heading 220, Delta 274.
Delta 274, descend maintain, flight level 150.
Descend maintain, flight level 150, Delta 274.
Delta 274, descend to Tokyo International Airport via present position. Then radar vector, turn right heading 270, vector for ILS runway 16 left, vector to Sandy.
Okay, understand. 70 vectors for ILS 16 left, direct to Sandy at this time, correct?
Negative, keep heading 270, radar vector to Sandy.
Okay, excellent. 270 heading for now, Delta 274.
Delta 274, radar.
Go ahead.
Delta 274, do you need a fuel dump?
Negative, Delta 274.
Negative, copy. Delta 274, Tokyo radar 119.65.
1965, thanks for your help, Delta 274.
Okay.
Delta 274 checking in with you. descending to 150.
Delta 274, Tokyo approach, Tokyo QNH 2983.
Roger.
Delta 274 and vector to Lowry.
Understand vectors to Lorry, Delta 274.
Delta 274, confirm, heading 270, vector to Lowry.
Heading 270, Delta 274. And confirm heading 270 for Delta 274.
Delta 274, that's correct.
Roger.
Delta 274, approach.
Go ahead.
Delta 274, just confirmation, your trouble is only indicator.
Say again for Delta 274.
Delta 274, you have only indicator trouble.
Correct. Just low oil pressure indication, Delta 274.
Delta 274, say again, please.
Low oil quantity, Delta 274, indication only.
Delta 274. Roger. Delta 274, descend maintain 13,000.
Descent to 13,000, Delta 274.
Delta 274, turn right, heading 290.
Right heading 290, Delta 274.
Delta 274, descend maintain 10,000.
Descend maintain 10,000, Delta 274.
Delta 274, turn right, heading 320, descend maintain 9,000.
320 and 9,000, Delta 274.
Delta 274, turn right, heading 010.
Right heading 010, Delta 274.
Decimal 5.
126.5, Delta 274. Delta 274, 9,000.
Delta 274, Tokyo radar, maintain 9,000. Now turn left, heading 350.
Maintain 9,000, heading 350, Delta 274.
Delta 274, turn left, heading 320. Descend and maintain 8,000.
Heading 320, descend maintain 8,000, Delta 274.
Delta 274, descend and maintain 6,000.
Descend maintain 6,000, Delta 274.
Delta 274, can I accept the speed reduction?
Say again?
Delta 274, can I accept the reduced speed to 10?
Understand, reduce speed to 210, Delta 274, confirm.
Thank you. Reduce speed to 210 for Delta 274.
Reduce speed 210, Delta 274, thank you.
Delta 274, turn left heading 270.
Left heading 270, Delta 274.
Delta 274, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend maintain 5,000, Delta 274.
Delta 274, turn left heading 230.
Heading 230, Delta 274.
Japan Delta 274, Lisbon Aviation Director, Lowry, descend and maintain 4,000.
Director Lowry, descend maintain 4,000, Delta 274.
Delta 274, clear the ILS runway 16 left approach.
Clear for the ILS 16 left approach, Delta 274, thank you. Delta 274, this will be auto land.
Delta 274, say again.
This will be an auto land.
Roger. Delta 274, reduce speed of 180 knots.
180 knots, Delta 274.
Delta 274, contact tower 124.35.
124.35, Delta 274. Tower Delta 274, priority aircraft, runway 16 left ILS.
Delta 274 Tokyo Tower, runway 16 left, wind 20 at 13, continue approach.
Continue approach, Delta 274.
Delta 274, runway 16 left, clear to land, wind 19 at 11.
To land, runway 16 left, Delta 274, it'll be, we'll turn off at the end.
Roger.